That's a big snook, man. Right there. Ooh. 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 I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stop him. That's a big snook, man. Oh. Let's do this. Yeah, there you go. You can see him. Oh! First black drum. Oh, man, sucker. I gotta get a picture of it.
What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
Oh, jeez. Oh, God. There we go. Morning, everybody. Another beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. Today I'm launching out of my friends at Carmen's Kayak. I can't even talk today. Doing so, I'm hoping to go west into the Jug Creek and escape the wind for today. It's going to be blowing. We have a little bit of red tide scare in the area, so I'm going to be looking for signs of that. Should be a great day anyway. So, sun is shining, nice and warm. Water temperature is 73 degrees. Should be good. Got my first snook of the morning here, finally. Right against this mangrove. Which isn't surprising. But yeah, these conditions are a little tough. That's for sure. There we go. There's a snook. I gotta see if I can get him out. Oh, not a bad snook. Not a bad snook at all. I've seen bigger ones. I saw bigger ones today. I saw definitely an overslot. That's not a bad little snook. Here's another one. There's another snook. There's another little guy. Yeah, little, but. Come here, dude. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. I gotta get you off before I end up in the mangroves. Fun size snook. Fun size snook. That's a big snook, man. Right there. Ooh. 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 I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stop him. That's a big snook, man. Oh. Oh. That's a big snook. Oh yeah. That's better. That's better. Come on. Come on, dude. Oh. Oh. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come on. Shit. I don't want to get in the boat channel. He's back underneath me. That's a beautiful snook, man. Come on. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't know how we're going to do this. No idea how I'm going to do this. That is, I don't think I'm going to be able to measure them. I don't think I'm going to be able to measure them at all. Let's wipe you off. On the big Bambino. If I can get it out. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Right there. Beautiful snook. Beautiful, beautiful snook. I'm gonna get her back in the water. Get her moving. Come on. Yeah. I'm gonna get her moving. She's got me. some water through her gills. Get her moving. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright. Off you go, honey. There she goes. There she goes. Oh, that's a bigger snook, man. Oh, that's a monster. Oh, that's a monster, people. Oh, it just came off. Oh, it just came off. Oh, oh, holy crap, that was a big fish, man. Oh, I had no boat control at all. Oh, God. That was a big freaking fish, man. Oof. Oof. I have to review that footage. And now we got some real good traffic now. Oh yeah. And I need a little bumpy ride. What's this? Ooh, that's a red. I believe that would be a red. Nice. Nice. Come on. No, not on the net, in the net. This guy's green. This guy's feisty as frick. Come here, dude. I'm gonna let you go. I got no bag. I got no bag. See? Why don't you tell them that? They're like, all right, screw it. I believe you. I'll believe you. All right. All right, dude. All right, 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 all right. Oop. Ah, Ned rig. Right there, kick and scrimp. Right there. Nice red. Nice little red. Right there. Beautiful guy. Off he goes. Another little snook. That was a violent hit, man. Oh yeah. The smallest damn snook I've ever seen. Alright, I'm going to put you back in the water, buddy, because I'm going to put the Salt Strong one on. We are going to do this. This is going to be a dink. You're going to go for the dink award, buddy. Turn that around. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Yep, you're going to go for the dink award. Some thicker. Another good little snook. A fun size snook.